really putting this little blender to the test. And we're getting rained out. Oh my God. Good morning. I see. Look outside. Hi, honey. What's up, boys? You're stacking cups. Oh, hello, Mr. Owl. These are around here everywhere for the birds. Just mashed up a little bit of some eggs with avocado and breast milk for Seiji. And then over here, I'm just going to puree some of the peaches that I chopped up with my immersion blender that I brought. It's coming in handy. Bib, there's your breakfast. Her water's just cooling.
Very good.
You got a whole buffet there. Can you tell what it is, Matt? Guess. What's she eating?
It looks like avocado, egg, peach, and oatmeal. No?
You are correct, sir. Okay, I'll turn off the camera so you can eat. Okay. Let's make a green smoothie. We're putting everything in it. Really putting this little blender to the test. What are you doing in the bathroom? Hi. So good. I'm gonna get you ready for the pool. Oh, you have a poopy. You got poopy, I smell it. Okay, so you might be like, what the heck? Why is she in the bathroom? This is gonna be in my how to travel with the baby videos. So yeah, put them in, if you have a second bathroom or something, like no one's even using this one. But the best thing is it's blackout in here. Like there's no windows, no light, and she sleeps amazing in here. It's a very big room. It's clean, it's not a dirty bathroom. The concept of it is weird, even the waiting. Even the first night, Matt's like, I don't know if I feel comfortable with her in the bathroom, but I'm like, it's just a room. We have the video monitor. She's safe. It's air conditioned. So she's been sleeping great. So don't judge me, okay? I know some people put their babies in like a big walk-in closet too. It's a mom hack. Try it. Your baby will sleep. Okay, let's go change your poopy diaper and get you some pool clothes. It's hot. It's hot. Besides, she doesn't even know this is a bathroom. You don't even know it's a bathroom. You just think it's your bedroom. Oh, hi. Hi. Okay. This is actually the second bedroom, but there's like barely curtains here. These are really sheer, so there's no way she would sleep in here. Okay, we're gonna change your diaper. Oh, let's get you something to play with. Want to play with Sophie? Want to play with Sophie? So this is her diaper changing station. No. We're not gonna get the wipes. No. Oh my, Sage, that's huge. That's huge. Okay, we gotta turn off the camera. We'll be ready in 3, 2, 1. He's so cute. Why is Mommy's bathing suit not as cute as yours? Look at this low back. Look at that low back. Okay, we're gonna feed her, pack her bag, fill up the water bottles, and get some snacks. Say hi. That's all she does. Yeah. Hi. Just taking some vitamins with some water. You guys saw in my packing video, I shared how I packed all my supplements, my protein powders, and just like vitamins and things like that. I'm just gonna bring a Perfect bar with us in case I need a little snack, but we're gonna come back for lunch or grab something, so this will just be to tie me over. I have my water, I filled it up with some icy water, and then Sage's water, which I had it in the fridge, and this one's great because it actually does not leak. It's like magic. Anyways, that is what I'm taking. So because the pool is on site, we don't have to like bring a whole thing with us because we can just come back home if we're hungry. Got my hat, diaper bag, water, beach towels. See you. I keep saying beach. We're going to the pool. We are off on an adventure.
See the wizard.
Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because this is my second time, I guess, venturing around the grounds. This is all like a gated community, and that's apparently very popular in Florida or Orlando, I guess. So it's nice because there's like condos, townhouses, single like detached houses, and they all have shared amenities like pools and lazy rivers and all that stuff. So we're gonna go check out some of that now. Rained out. Oh my god, these droplets are huge. Well, at least we're already wet from the pool. Guess I gotta redo my hair for tonight. We are back. We took a little family shower, warmed up, and now I'm in comfy clothes while I warm up, and we're gonna make some lunch. That's folding some laundry. This is why it's nice to be at an Airbnb as opposed to just like a hotel, because you actually have like your laundry, you have a kitchen, you can feel more at home even when you're away. So let me show you what we're making. We're gonna do a really quick lunch, so nothing fancy. We got leftover sushi from last night. We ordered from Saki, what was it? Saki B or something. It was really, really good actually. So Matt is cooking up some of these quesadillas from Trader Joe's. They're just Chipotle vegetable ones. I think they're vegetarian. Yeah, Chipotle vegetable. My brain these days. I am boiling some water for Sage. I'm gonna cook her up some like greens. I'm gonna do a mix of peas and broccoli for Sage. I also cooked up, I baked up like a bunch of sweet potatoes the other day. Oh, like a bunch. So we'll probably have to eat these ourselves this week. Maybe I'll make like a little sweet potato taco or something and like load it up. But I'm just gonna take one out and mash it up with her peas or broccoli, and then I'll do some of that leftover peach puree on the side. Somebody's hangry. Let me show you how bad it's raining outside. Hi. I can't even see it. Sage, I bet you've never seen so much rain before. Okay, I'm gonna get your food done before you freak out. Just gonna mash up a little quick guac for the side of the quesadilla, and I'm gonna snack on some of these while I wait. How long? 20 minutes. All right, Sagey's lunch is done. I got sweet potato, the peach puree, and then the peas and broccoli with some breast milk. Bon appetit, Sagey. And lunch is served. So we got the quesadilla. I also have some spicy pico de gallo, and then just the smashed guac, which is just salt, pepper, lime juice, and obviously avocado. And then Matt has his. He's gonna have his pico de gallo with some chips on the side. This looks really, really good actually. So I'm excited. You excited, Sage? All right, so it is now 5:15 and I just finished getting ready. It's honestly, it feels just so weird to like get ready to go anywhere. But we are going, this is gonna be our second time eating in a restaurant. We are going for ramen, and it's our, I don't know if I mentioned, it's our anniversary today. Obviously we didn't do anything super special, but just being here is pretty special for us. So we've just been like treating kind of this whole trip as our anniversary gift. Hey, Matt? We usually like to do more experiences than like physical gifts when it comes to like special occasions. So we are going for ramen, and we love ramen, so very excited for that. But yeah, Sage is still napping, so we're just letting her nap as long as she can, so that way she's just like happy throughout the whole dinner and we don't have to rush and leave, because it's about 45 minutes to drive there. So I'm just gonna go prep her food, because we're actually gonna feed it to her at the restaurant. We're not gonna like let her make a huge mess. We just like spoon feed it to her instead of like baby-led weaning style. I'm gonna see what I have and just kind of put something together for her, and I already have her outfit ready. And then basically when she gets up, we're just like gonna go, because it's 45 minutes to the restaurant, so we gotta like go as soon as she wakes up, because we got limited time. Can't really show you guys my full outfit, but I'm wearing a cropped, where did I get this? Oh, Zara, a cropped black top. I'm actually wearing like no bra with it. It makes it really easy to breastfeed. And then these pants, they're like wide pants from Uniqlo. And I was like, what accessories? I didn't bring any accessories except the ones like I just wear all the time. But yeah, we packed light. But if I was gonna wear accessories, I'd probably wear like a cute gold necklace, some, oh wait, I have bangle, I have bracelets somewhere, I should get those. And then these are the shoes that I'm wearing. I love these, they're so comfortable. They're by Cole Haan, and I could wear them all day, they're really comfy. Okay, so I'm gonna get some food for Sage. Should I just like do banana and avocado? Yeah, like that way it's nothing that needs to be heated. I brought these little containers, you would have saw it in my packing vlog. And these are basically so I can take food on the go. Honestly, I'm so happy that this Airbnb has like a ton of these IKEA containers, because I've been using a ton of them in the fridge for her food. Otherwise, these two would not have been enough, but like definitely bring some kind of containers or storage items if you're planning on making homemade food when traveling. We've been eating so much avocado since we've been here because it's so good. Like just every avocado, look, is perfect. What the heck? It hurts. And this is how simple homemade baby food can be. I usually try to make sure within a day, like she eats, you know, some kind of protein, a starch, and then that way if like dinner is just something simple like avocado and fruit and a little hemp hearts, like I'm fine with that. She's still in the phase that food is just like for fun, although our doctor has told us like if she'll eat 3 meals, we should give it to her because she needs to gain a bit of weight. So we are trying to do 3 meals a day, but like technically if she skips one, like she's still in that age gap that it's not a big deal. But she's been drinking a lot of milk lately, so I think she's just in a growth spurt right now. These are great containers. I don't know the name of them. Oh, Good Lunch Snack. I'm gonna link them for you guys. They snap on really good. So I'm gonna bring that for her. I feel like all my what I eat in a day videos now are like what I eat and what Seiji eats. So let me know if you like that or if you just want to see what I eat. Because I don't know, I just love preparing her food too. It's exciting for me. But let me know if you don't want her food as well. Okay, so we're at a really delicious ramen spot called Domu. Sage is eating her peaches and avocado, and we just got our ramen. Happy anniversary to us. It's probably gonna be really hot. Steaming.
Just a little bit of banana and avocado. So you want some ramen?
We are back. We're both filling up
Water.
on the water. I know ramen's always so salty. I'm drinking some Perrier again. And it was a long drive. It was like 45 minutes there, 45 minutes back. So we are tired. Sage is sleeping. She went out, no problem. That's when you know it's late. Either like they go out right away or they freak out because they're overtired. So luckily she fell asleep. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock right now, which is way past her bedtime. Not really, but like it just feels late, you know, because we're used to just being on the couch after she's like down for the night. I want to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this style of video, more casual, like day in the life, what I eat in a day, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know. It also really helps and supports my channel. So thank you, and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite videos of mine are, and I will definitely work on getting those up for you guys too. All right, cheers. I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna drink this. We're gonna chill on the couch and have a great rest of our night. Okay, bye guys.